going on, everybody? Gonna do a real easy dinner tonight. Just some BLTs off of the grill. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put these over the coals and char my bread, and then I'll come back in and add the rest of my toppings. Hey everybody, Matt here. I just wanted to remind you to subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and turn on notifications so you can keep track of what it is we're doing out here on the road. I'll see everybody around the next campfire. Now, back to the video. We'll go ahead and let this burn down a little bit. Throw on my bacon, and then right at the end, when the bacon is about done, I'll go ahead and put on my bread as well. Just thought I'd show you guys a little quick video. If you haven't already seen in some of my other videos where we're camping at right now. We're out here boondocking. As you can see, our RV right here in the middle of the woods, in the middle of nowhere basically. And yeah, it's beautiful out here. Sunset's happening right now, back behind these trees. Up this way are some hiking trailheads. They got the Arizona Trail and the Vishnu Trail up that way, real easy. We've already done them and they're pretty cool. If you go up the access road up here, it hits 64, which will run you right up to the Grand Canyon itself, the rim. So yeah, we're real happy with the area, and we're gonna be here until Sunday, and then we're heading down to Flagstaff, Arizona, and hang out there for a while. We're gonna be on a lake, so that'll be real beautiful. And yeah, continue making the videos down there, and hopefully you guys like these. So if you do, throw a thumbs up. You know, give me some comments if you don't. Let me know what maybe you'd like to see in the videos, and yeah, we'll go from there. Sound of bacon, the smell of bacon, the word bacon. So this is what we're looking for. You hear the sizzling, but you're not getting a whole lot of flare up. That's perfect. A little is expected because it is bacon and it's covered in fat, but if you can keep it under control, you get a perfect crispiness as well as the smoky flavor that you're looking for. So you can see here with my bacon, I'm getting a real nice color on it, but at the same time it's not burning. It's getting a little bit of the charredness, but that's natural being on the grill and all, but it's not burning. And there is a distinction between the two. So you want to get the nice smoky flavor from the coals and the fire and everything, but you don't want the bitter soot flavor of burnt. So we're going to go ahead and take the bacon off here, and then I'll place it on a towel, let some of the other juices kind of leak out, and get our bread on. Alright, so I got my bacon off. It's resting here on this paper towel, let some of the fat drip down onto there, and you can see it got a beautiful color. Just a slight bit of burntness on a couple of the ends, but in my opinion this is perfect bacon. Nice. And of course we're using the gluten-free Udis because we got to do the gluten-free, but you cannot eat this gluten-free bread without doing some type of cooking to it, toasting it, grilling it, even putting it in the microwave. You got to do something to it because the gluten-free bread, it just does not hold up without having some type of heat put to it. Otherwise it just falls apart whenever you try to make a sandwich. And so that's what we're looking for our bread toasting. Not too much, just some color. Make it a little more pliable when you're making your sandwiches so it's not falling apart on you. And this is going to hold up real nice and have an excellent smoky flavor from this wood fire. Got all the ingredients here, sandwich made. Gonna go ahead and finish the one for the wife. And yeah, grilled bacon and grilled bread, BLTs, delicious, smells amazing, of course. And yeah, you guys look for the ingredients of what I used here and the directions of how I put it together. Real simple stuff down in the description. And yeah, feel free to give the video a like. Have a good night, everybody, and I'll see you around the next campfire.